Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I want to bring you something that this is really important. If you guys own a Acura TLX, you probably really like it. Spend some good money on it. You know, they're not really cheap cars. And you want to do everything you can to protect it. So I wanted to share some information that just came out. This was like a couple days ago, and it's a little shocking to me, but it might make a big difference in when you buy one or if you buy one, how you go about, trying to keep it safe. So I wanted to share this with you real quick, just in case, like I said, you have one or you're thinking about buying one, especially since they're discontinued. This might give you some good information. So like I said, if you have one of these cars, you guys want to keep them safe, and you think the standard alarm will be good, but the alarm on these things can easily be defeated. And the reason I'm bringing this up is because the top 20 most stolen vehicles list just came out. And would you believe that the Acura TLX all-wheel drive is the #2 stolen vehicle in the whole United States? The first one is the Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. So that's a more specialty car. It's about a $75,000 vehicle. But I've seen so many people post online that the TLX is stolen all the time. And I just don't really see it around here, but obviously it's true because it's #2 out of all the vehicles in the whole United States. Here's the actual list of them, the top 20. So you can see there's a lot of SUVs, trucks, but like I said, #2 is the Acura TLX. They put four-wheel drive, but we know that's the all-wheel drive. And if you go to #5 is the Acura TLX, just the front-wheel drive version. And they said that the Acura TLX all-wheel drive is stolen at a rate 21 times more than the average vehicle. And like I said, that's concerning because I know that they take these cars and they'll strip the parts off of them, and it's rare that you'll actually get it back. And if you do, it's usually in pieces or been wrecked, something like that. So if you guys weren't aware how often these things are stolen, that's why I kind of want to bring this to your attention. I would highly recommend getting a kill switch for it. A standard alarm is not going to do a whole lot because they can steal these really quickly. But a kill switch, what it will do in essence is it won't allow a circuit to go through, so it won't be able to be started until you activate it to complete a circuit. And there's a lot of different kill switches out there, different types, but they all kind of work similar ways. So if you have one of these and you're not in a spot where you could park it in a garage, somewhere where it can be safe, if it has to be parked on the street, I would highly recommend a kill switch. It'll help protect it. And especially now since they've discontinued the TLX, it's not like they're going to write you a check if it's totaled and you just go buy a brand new one. Since they've been discontinued, you'd have to get a used one, and hopefully it's in a good condition, not beat and all that. And so it's so much easier to have a kill switch, that extra layer of protection. And since these are stolen so quickly, you should take these measures to protect it as well. And like I said, it surprised me that it was #2 out of all the vehicles in the United States stolen, especially since they didn't even sell a ton of them. Hence the reason I'm discontinuing them. But I wanted to share that with you guys. So if you have one, definitely protect it by getting that kill switch. Or if you have a garage, I would definitely recommend keeping it in there just to safeguard it. Again, I appreciate all of you, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.